It's all wide open. Shut up now. Can't stop, can you? Talking. Mandy said, don't wear the red one, wear the black one. Where I come from, it's not far away. Coventry. There's a woman that takes her clothes off. She's a politician. She was a politician. Mandy said wear the black one. And tie your hair up because you can't see your face. The house, 2015. Sandra, 2011. I can't help it. It's a stage. It's a stage you're going through. Well, I don't like this one. I don't like this 7th gate. You can see her on the zoom. Zoom, zoom. 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 She's in there. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? You were laughing yesterday. We all say yes, yes, These are the well-funded ones, the ones that are well-rehearsed, precise, got a good title. Not like this one, Disrupted Meadow. That's the title of this piece, Disrupted Meadow. She's from here, but she came before. This one. Found this one. Follow the stone. I'm the granddaughter of a quarryman. I'm the daughter of a painter and decorator and a sailor. I'm the great-granddaughter of a basket maker. And the great-great-granddaughter of a wood carver. Split. Split me. Split me. We're in a split. We're in a split. It's splitting. Everything's splitting. Everything's breaking. Everything's falling apart. We're all fall down in now. We're all falling down in down, down in down, down in down in down and down and down and down and down and where we're down, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, 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 down. Get very close to you. Can't see anything but the sky. Oh. Cows. My mum worked in a dairy. But here they are. They always turn up. In Huddersfield, there was a cow that wouldn't yield. The reason why it wouldn't yield, it didn't like its Huddersfield. Bang on time.